Hi, how are you? Welcome to my video. Tonight, I would like to share a song to you, but first, I would like to read a verse from Psalm 34, verse 4 to 10. It says, I sought the Lord, and He answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. Those who look to Him are radiant. Their faces are never covered with shame. This poor man called, and the Lord heard him. He saved him out of all his troubles. The angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear Him, and He delivers them. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who takes refuge in Him. Fear the Lord, you His saints, for those who fear Him lack nothing. The lions may grow weak and hungry, but those who seek the Lord lack no good thing. You may have encountered a decision today that impact your life negatively or positively. Always remember that our God is faithful and He is able to help you amidst your difficulties, circumstances that seem so overwhelming for you to overcome. God is faithful. Remain steadfast in Him. Trust in Him. And He will never ever abandon you because He loves you for who you are. Okay? Let me share this song to you. Sadyang kay buti ng ating Panginoon, magtatapat sa habang panahon, maging sa kabila ng ating pagkukulang, biyaya niya'y patuloy na laan. Katulad ng pagsinag ng gintong araw, patuloy siyang nagbibigay tanglaw. Kaya't sa puso ko't damdamin, katapatan niya'y aking pupurihin. Dakila ka, O Diyos, tapat kang ang tunay, magmula pa sa ugat ng ang lahi. Mundo'y magunaw man, maaasahan kang lagi, maging hanggang wakas nitong buhay. O Diyos, ika'y aking purihin, sa buong mundo'y aking aawitin. Dakila ang iyong katapatan, pag-ibig mo'y walang hanggan. Sa ugat ng aking lahi, mundo'y magunaw man, maaasahan you for watching. Jesus loves you.